I wanted to show some downtown Graham. It's all downtown Graham's all decorated for the holidays. I want to show this is the biggest chair in North Carolina. No, just kidding.
It is a big chair.
Yeah. But anyway, we're about to see the Peanut Butter Falcon. This theater, the old Graham Cinema, was built in 1928. This is an old, beautiful Victorian bank. This used to be, I believe, the Holt family house. There's two of them. One of them now is the art museum in Graham, but this is Mr. Holt built two houses for his daughters, I believe the story was, and this is one of them. Look at this beautiful pillars though with the lighting. I love Victorian architecture. Is my favorite architecture among all old houses. There's the Courthouse in the distance. For many years that was the courthouse in Graham since the late 1800s. I'm here at this old abandoned steakhouse here in Graham, North Carolina. This has been abandoned for, oh gosh, what, 10 years now? There's the old lobby where you'd walk in. I remember this used to have an awesome buffet back in the late 90s. God, this has been abandoned. Maybe this might even be going on 15 years. What really tripped me out is the exit sign. It's still on. Wow. Here's the, I forget the name of this place though. Sagebrush, yeah, because there it is. Yeah, welcome. It was something before that too, like Western Steer. I think it was a Western Steer. Look at that, and there's another exit sign. But about to go to Popeyes. I want to try the new chicken sandwich. So see how that is. See what the whole hoopla on that is. What's so great about it? Uncle Ron and I, we're at Popeyes. We finally get to see what chicken sandwich is all about. We both like Chick-fil-A, right? So.
We do now, yeah.
It's good.
Who needs a woman when you got a sandwich like this, right?
Whatever. You know, here's some napkins. Anyway, it's good. It kind of reminds me a little of Chick-fil-A. It's good. I like it. What do you think?
I think it's the best sandwich I've ever had.
Well, we'll get back to you after it's done. I like that Grinch thing. This is pretty cool, this old school theater.
Really sort of does.
Old school Graham Cinema. I like that little Grinch setup. That's kind of neat with the sled and the dog. Max. Yeah, Max and the Grinch. There's Tim Bob. I'm here at the other Holt House that I was talking about, which became the Alamance County Art Museum. And yeah.
Are you trying to walk across this thing now?
Well, I was trying to inch top.
Busting your ass.
Oh yeah. What do you mean? Oh,
Yeah,
is that? Oh, it's an ice skating rink.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they built an ice skating rink
No,
here.
they have it every year.
Oh, you weren't. Oh, okay. I've never seen them ice skate here though.
Yeah, they're.
And that's where. Oh, that's where you enter right there. Oh, that's beautiful here, though.
It's actually as slick as ice.
But hey, but this is the other Victorian house that I was talking about, where the other Holt sister lived in the late 19th century.
Slick this was if you didn't know. But it's not.
Yeah, it's not real slick.
Not
Like you would think, huh?
Not unless you got the skates on.
But hey, that's pretty how they put the tree in the middle and all that. That looks like it'd be fun. Hey, look at the huge sculpture. That is really amazing.
Yeah, that's huge.
One of the biggest art sculptures I've ever seen. Whoever did, I want to find out who the artist is. Embracing Peace, Seward Johnson. Wow, look at the size. The size of the shoes just alone. Embracing Peace by Seward Johnson. I wonder how, that's an amazing artist.
Yeah, you can't really see her face like you can his.
Not really, yeah, because it's going upward. But all this is just beautiful, though. I'm glad we decided to stop.
Yeah, they do this every single year in this ice skating rink.
They had another sculpture of somebody dancing a few years back. It was a whole different sculpture.
Man, I bet they had to bring a crane in here to put those things up.
Look at this, the Thomas Boney Memorial Garden. Let's see, oh, look at the present. I apologize about it being dark, y'all, but it's kind of made it nice, though, for most of it. It's gonna be nice to see come at daytime, too. It's like a bunch of presents back here. You know, I've been in this art gallery before. It's really nice. They're always having different, artists, displays.
Wow.
Mm.
Yeah, they put a lot of time in.
Yeah. That's really awesome, though. I'm blown away. I didn't know about the ice skating rink, though, until you told me.
Yeah, we used to bring the grandkids up here, and we kind of get a little too old for it now.
Oh, okay. Man, that is cool.
I guess it's ice skating rink because you.
Unless they just want to make it look like snow.
Yeah, it didn't. It's not slick anymore.
Yeah. Was it ever an ice skating rink? I mean, do you ever see anybody skating?
Yeah, of course. They set it up every year, and what it is a wax floor.
Yeah.
And it's like ice.
Yeah, yeah.
But it didn't feel like wax and shit. They don't want you to walk on it, so.
Clothes, please stay off.
They must want you to only go in there with skates.
Yeah.
But they usually don't have that center thing. It's usually the whole skating rink. This is